morning. Welcome to the channel. On last video we discussed Maxwell's thermodynamic relations. So here are the four equations which we already discussed. First one, first thermodynamic relation, dou T by dou V at constant entropy is equals to dou P by dou S at constant volume. This is the first Maxwell relation, and second Maxwell relation, third Maxwell relation, and fourth Maxwell relation. So first one, rate of change of temperature with respect to volume at constant entropy is equals to rate of change of pressure with respect to entropy at constant volume. So next one, rate of change of temperature with respect to pressure at constant entropy, rate of change of volume with respect to entropy at constant pressure, rate of change of entropy with respect to volume at constant temperature. So is equals to rate of change of pressure with respect to temperature at constant volume. So last one, rate of change of entropy with respect to pressure at constant temperature is equals to rate of change of volume at constant temperature, rate of change of volume with respect to temperature at constant pressure. This is the four Maxwell thermodynamic relations. These are the very useful Maxwell relations and TDS equations may be used to solve the problem in short way. So Maxwell's relations which are applicable to thermodynamic systems such as liquids, gases, solids in equilibrium state. So if one property is measured, other can reduce. So to understand this, few applications are mentioned below. Next, Clapeyron's latent heat equation. The Clapeyron latent heat equation. So this equation relates the change in melting or boiling point with change in pressure. So we have three types of states. సో మెల్టింగ్ పాయింట్, బాయిలింగ్ పాయింట్ అనేది రకరకాలుగా ఉంటుంది వాటి యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ని బట్టి. సో దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ రిలేట్స్ ద చేంజ్ ఇన్ మెల్టింగ్ ఆర్ బాయిలింగ్ పాయింట్ విత్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ ప్రెజర్. సో కన్సిడర్ the Maxwell's third relation. Using Maxwell's third relation, we obtain the Clapeyron's latent heat equation. So consider Maxwell's third relation, that is dou P by dou T at constant volume is equals to dou S by dou V at constant temperature. That means rate of change of pressure with respect to temperature at constant volume is equals to rate of change of entropy with respect to volume at constant temperature. So multiplying both sides by T. So both sides T తో మల్టిప్లై చేసిన ఇక్కడ T dou S is equals to, జనరల్గా we know that the relation TdS is equals to dq. సో ఇక్కడ T dou S ప్లేస్లో dou q సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసిన. Dou q represents the heat transferred at constant temperature is equal to the latent heat when unit mass of the substance undergoes change of phase. So that is in isothermal expansion, heat absorbed per unit volume is the rate of increase of pressure with temperature in isochoric process. So here Vi and Vf initial and final represent initial and final specific volumes substances. So T into dou P by dou T is equals into V volume at constant volume is equals to L by Vf minus Vi initial and final specific volumes at constant టెంపరేచర్స్ ఆర్ టీని కూడా మనం అవతలకి పంపించేయచ్చు. సో డివైడర్లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది L/T into Vf minus Vi. This is a well-known Clapeyron equation. It gives the rate at which the vapor pressure must change with temperature for two phases to coexist in equilibrium. So from this equation we enter the following. So infer the following.